In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is an excellent tool for managing your accounting tasks, and understanding how to record expenses effectively can help you keep your finances in order. So let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Zoho Books account. This is essential to access your financial dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click the sign in option, which will take you to the login page. You have the option to sign in using your Google account. It's a handy method if you want a quicker login process and have already linked your Google account to Zoho Books. After clicking on Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Just select the account associated with your Zoho Books. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a bit of time to load, so a little patience might be required here. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Purchases tab located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is where you'll manage all your purchases and expenses. Within the Purchases section, there's an Expenses option. Click on it to open the Expenses page. Now, to start recording your new expense, look for the Record Expense button. Give it a click. This will take you to a form where you can enter all the details of your expense. Begin with adding the date of the expense. This is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring that your financial data is up to date. After entering the date, look for the option to select the expense account. Choose the relevant account that this expense pertains to. Next, enter the amount of the expense. Be precise with this figure to avoid any discrepancies later on. If there's any tax associated with the expense, make sure you add it too. This is important for calculating the total expense accurately. Following this, you'll need to specify the paid through account. This could be your credit card, bank account, or any other payment method you've used for the transaction. Make a careful selection here. Next, you'll need to choose the vendor related to this expense. This could be a supplier, service provider, or any other entity you've made a purchase from. It provides clarity on who this payment was directed to. You can also add a customer name if the expense is related to an expenditure for a specific client. Additionally, if there are any related files or documents, Zoho Books allows you to attach them on the right side of the screen for better record keeping. Finally, review all the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to complete the entry. This will store your new expense in Zoho Books, allowing you to track and manage it easily. And that's it, you've successfully recorded an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping accurate records is vital for effective financial management, and Zoho Books makes this process simple and efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, happy recording.